So one of the ways in which you can go ahead and share out your files from Terabox is by sharing them directly to email address. So to do that, you can go to a particular file and click on a share button. And then over here in email sharing, you can go ahead and type in the email address of the person right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and then type into YouTube channel 2 at right here, and then choose the address right here, just like this. And you can add in a message as well. For example, I can say, please check the file right here, just like this, and click on share. So once you do that, what happens is that the file will be shared with the other person, and they will be receiving an email just like this. So you can see that this user has shared this file. So you can go ahead and click on view file right here, and the person with that particular email address will be able to view the file right here. So I actually had set password for this particular share right here, just like this. So if I were to click on extract file, then only after that I will be able to view it. So if I were to click on share right here, you can see that I can go around onto chains, and you can see that I had enabled the password, and that is why it had asked for a password. But if I were to go ahead and close this out right here, just like this, then it won't ask for a password. So I can go around over here and then click on apps, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and change that out. Let's say I want to share this folder as well, then I can even go ahead and right click and click on share, and then go to email sharing right here, and I can go ahead and type in tututube at outlook.com. Let's say, for example, right here, choose the outlook.com, click on share, and what happens is that the file will be shared. And that is how you can go ahead and share out files via email from Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.